What if you could generate Google-friendly, high-converting affiliate content in seconds? No writing, no tech skills, no API keys, and no monthly fees. Introducing ContentSpark AI 2.0, the only affiliate content engine you'll ever need. With just a few clicks, you can create persuasive review articles, viral top 10 listicles, step-by-step how-to guides, side-by-side product comparisons, informative SEO articles that Google loves. Whatever you want, ContentSpark AI 2.0 has you covered. Need to write a review for a digital or physical product? We do it for you. Just enter the title and your affiliate link. Want to embed your bonuses right inside the article? No problem. Just fill out the bonuses section and they'll be seamlessly added to your content. Click Generate and voila, a long-form SEO-optimized article is ready for you. Want a press release version? That's ready too. Not sure where to publish your press release? We've got you covered, with a list of the top high-traffic press release websites hand-picked for you. Don't need a product review? Just want an informative article with your affiliate link? No problem. Just choose your article type, paste your link, and voila. ContentSpark does the rest. Now, let's get real for a second. Why do most affiliates struggle? It's not because they're lazy or lack ambition. It's because the real secret to affiliate marketing success is simple. Get more traffic, get more eyeballs on your offer. And where's the biggest source of potential customers and traffic on the planet? Google, the world's most powerful search engine, with billions of people searching every single day. But here's the challenge. If you want to tap into that endless stream of buyers, you need to show up in Google's search results. The more people see your offer, the more sales you make. But let's be honest, no one will even consider your offer if you show up with low-quality, generic content. That's where most affiliates fail. You need content that not only ranks but actually converts visitors into customers. And that's exactly what ContentSpark AI 2.0 delivers. Our tool uses the latest, most advanced AI technology to help you create high-quality, SEO-optimized articles that get you seen on Google and turn those visitors into buyers. But what if you don't even have a website? No problem. These days, many successful affiliates are earning commissions without ever building their own site. In fact, publishing your articles on platforms like LinkedIn and Medium is often easier, faster to rank, and seen as more trustworthy than a personal website. So even if you don't have a website, you can still use ContentSpark AI 2.0 to get your offers in front of thousands of potential buyers, quickly and easily. No more blank screens, no more wasted money, no more missed launches. Other tools charge $29.49, even $99 a month, and still require complicated setup. ContentSpark AI 2.0 is just $12 one time, for a limited time only during this launch. But here's the catch. After the launch, the price will become a monthly subscription. This is your only chance to lock in lifetime access for a single payment. ContentSpark AI 2.0 uses the latest AI technology to deliver smarter, fresher, and higher-ranking content every time you click Generate. Ready to finally win at affiliate marketing? Click below to get instant access to ContentSpark AI 2.0 before the price goes up and before this one-time offer disappears forever.